What's up, guys? So got any packaging today. Been waiting on this for about 4 days. So this thing opened up, doing an unboxing, and we'll do installing it. This thing opened up. So don't use a knife. But when do I ever follow the rules? Worth it. $200, and I looked at some for $500-600, and I really don't want to spend that much money. So we're gonna test these $200 ones out, and hopefully I get my money's worth. They look good. Wiring in it. Got both headlights. Now, they do have the actual headlight bulbs in them already, but the turn signal and running lights, I will have to use the ones that are previously on there. I just take them out of the old ones, stick them in the new ones, and get these wired up for the C around the headlights itself. So, let's go ahead and get this garage opened up. DURAMAX pulled up. So first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and take this off. All these. I don't have all of them in here, but just remove those. Next thing I'm gonna do, come down here. I'm gonna take these two 7mm out on each side of the truck, so I can pull this bumper piece out of the way on both sides. Once I get that far, I'll show you what to do next. Two 7mm here out on each side. So now I want to do is pry this out, pull it out of the way. Right there where my finger is. Go ahead and get that one out. And do the same thing to the other side. The next ones I'll be getting is this one, and that one right on top on both sides. So we got all the bolts loose. The ones that go from the behind the bumper to the headlight are actually a tad bit shorter than the ones that are on top. Make sure you guys keep track of that. So on the new headlights, it doesn't have any directions that came with it. So I'm not sure exactly where to run these yet. But when I figure it out, I will let you guys know. So right now I just got them plugged up to see if they work. The headlight's working, but it's not LEDs. So I'm gonna take the LEDs out of my factory headlights and see if they'll fit inside the new ones. What's up, guys? I got the driver's side installed. Everything's working on it. Show you guys the wiring I did. So this is your wiring harness. Comes out of the truck with your lights. Unfortunately, my LEDs won't fit in here. So they're normal, like factory halogen, I guess you could call those. So now I got two sets of expensive LEDs laying around doing nothing. But I do have some awesome looking headlights, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those off. And this part right here is the part that goes into the truck. So right there, that clip slides in there. Obviously your running lights, turning lights, running lights, pull off these white caps, little stickers, keep that moisture out. Well, yeah, like I said, go ahead and install these. There it goes. I don't think I actually had to push that hard on these, but for cheap headlights, I guess they'll do. So both of those are in. Let's go back in there. So then I have this one. It's going to the outside running light. Goes in right here. And by the way, it has plastic on it so that way you don't scratch the lens as you're doing all this. It comes shipped like that. I wired these up for the C's. Took these through wire right here. There's 2 gray and 1 green. So what I did was take all 3 of these, cut them. I'm going to splice them all together again. Just take the greens. There's only 1 green wire. So all these, along with the black wire, along with the red wire, let's splice those together. And the other, crap. Now these 2 gray wires I'll put off 4 of these ends and the black wire together. So there's that. Of course, your headlights will be plugged in. Like so. So next, I'm going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit. Make sure no bare wire. I'm put some ends on them. Put some shrink wrap on them. Put some tape on that. Get those in. And I'll meet you guys back out there with the truck after I get install this, install it all, put it all back together, and then we'll see how she looks. Alright, so there they are, all wired in, everything's working. That's the running lights. Of course, you can see the LED bars, running lights. Turn the headlights on for you. Low beams, both sides still working. These high beams on. There's all the lights on. Really, the only thing I'm really disappointed about is they're not LEDs. I love my LEDs that I had, and now for some reason, it's not able to put LEDs. They look like, I mean, I like them. They look good. $200, can't beat it. There's the puppies. All right, guys. Comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions.